Hi guys, nice to see you again. Today we're learning about we're not using materials again, but this one's much more fun. So today we're learning about the sums and difference. So can you guess what are those? So have you ever wondered, we use difference in English a lot, right? But here in math, we use it for another reason. Not if you mean that it's really different like that. And you might think that in English, the meaning is like it's not the same as other, right? But here has a whole different meaning. So let's get to it. So, for example, we have a sum that equals to 25, and the difference is 5. So find the largest and the smallest number. So how do we do it? How do we do it? First, just remember this diagram first. Just remember that. When we want the largest, have you ever plus something together before? It's like that. The largest, have you ever see some things that say largest and you have to plus, right? Well, this is the same too, but we are going to divide it with 2. Both of them are the same and very alike when that you learn from grade 1 to now. So the largest number, the sum, will plus with the difference. The smallest number will be the sum. Okay, sorry about that. We minus it together, and both of them we divide with 2. So no one knows why the reason we divide with 2, but the sum and the difference are clearly what we see. So the sum means that it has to be a bigger number than a difference. If the difference is bigger than the sum, that will not make any sense at all. And if you see this, let's just look. I have some squares here. So look, this is the largest. We need to find the largest. So it's like we're going to take the 10 squares. 1, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. And there are 6 here. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So now we plus them together. And wait, if you want to do a quicker way than just doing 2 of these things, we could do like this. We could first use this one and put it in the comma first, and then close the comma, and then divide it with 2. So that will not make the dividing 2 be first, but we'll have to make the plus first instead of dividing 2. So now you understand it. It's like this too, but the answers are different. Some are bigger, some are smaller. So that's how we do it. But let's just do this one first. If you know and remember the diagrams already, I'll teach you another one. So here's another one, guys. It's like first you have to find, maybe they asked that you could do the largest first before you could do the smallest. But when you are done with the largest, there's another quick way to do all of them in a very, very fast way. So the smallest one, we could take the sum. It's like we're going to take the answers in the largest number and then plus with the difference, and then it will make a quicker one, and we want the largest. If the smallest, we could use the same diagram that we just learned. So let's try doing that together. We could do anything we like. So first, the difference is 25, and here's the sum is here. The difference is 5. It's going to be the largest number. It's going to be, put comma first. After that, write 25 plus with 5. And then close the comma. After that, divide it with 2. There. So here plus together is 13. But 13 divides to 2 equals the same. So let's just find out. So let's write here. 30 divides 2. Here's 1. 15. So the answer here is 15. Right? But now, another quick way that I just explained is that first let's take the answer here and then minus it with the answer here. So now you see, let's check in the ordinary way. Are we sure about this? Yes. So let's just check it first. If we're wrong, we could do the one that we just saw it. So here, the sum, first put a comma, 25 it is, then minus with 5 equals 20, and then divide with it. That's correct, right? Equals to 10. And here's also 10. So we got the right one. So now you answer. Understands all of that. Let's just erase this so that we can write the answer. Yeah. We could do both of these if you want, or you could do the smallest first before the largest. But I like doing the largest before the smallest. So it's your choice. So why don't we go to the quiz? There's more questions there. So let's go. Translate it into English. So here, my mom goes to the market with 100 duck's eggs and chicken's eggs. So, and we know that the chicken eggs are more than the duck's eggs, 10 eggs. So they're asking about the chicken eggs. So first, that means that it's the largest. We plus these together. 100 plus 10 equals 110. And then we'll divide it with 2. When we divide it with 2, it's 5. 55. Yes, we're correct. So here is the duck's eggs. So we'll minus it together. So 100 minus 10 equals to 90. 90 divides to 2, it's 45. Here, a truck has 100 kilograms of apples and pears. So, and we know, and it also gives us that the apples are more than the pears, 8 kilograms. So they're asking about the pears. The pears are less, so we'll minus it together. It's 92 divided to 2. 92 divided to 2 equals to 46. Yes. So now they're asking about it's still the same, but they're asking about the apples. The apples are more. So it's 108 divided to 2. It's 580. Is this one. Yes. So now we are 2. So this one doesn't have. Okay. So both of it. So the sum of it is 400, and here is 50. We're going to minus it because it's saying the smallest number. When we minus it, it's about 350. 350 divided to 2 equals 1. 350 divided to 2. 15. 15 divided to that equals 7. And remember this one again. It's 5. How good are we? So this one, we're going to plus it together. It's 1,000 now. 1,000 divided to it is 500, I think. Yes, it's 500. So here, 4A class has 36 friends. Now, the girls are more than the boys, 2 friends. So how many girl students are there in 4A class? So this one is that we're going to plus it together. It's 38. 38 divided to 2. 38 divided to 2. It's 1. Oh, there. And here it's asking, there are 40 friends, and Okay, so this one will minus this time. So it's 36. 36 divided to 2 equals 1 and 1 and 8. 18. So we don't even need to put rock papers on. We just need to do the math problem in our heads. So my is more than her little sister, me, 4 years old. So this year, the sum of both of them are 20. So let's ask that today my is how many? So we're going to plus this. 24 divided to 2. 24 divided to 2 is 12. Here is that Hua is less than her sister Lan, 2 years old. So here the sum of both of them are 24 years old. And now they're asking how old is Hua? So we have to minus this time. It's 20 divides 20 divides to 2 equals 111 it is. Yay, we got 100 correct. So let's do others. Is the class, oops, I made a mistake. That's not that one, it's this one, you're too good. So here is, so this one we have to find drafts. So first we'll start from, I guess, I don't know this one yet because I haven't learned it. So this one, oh, I see. Oh, now we get it. It's A, and now we know the answer. This one's probably, we just divide it to, we just plus with 2 and it divide with 2. It's equals to 156 divided to 2. 156. 56. 50 divided to 2, it's going to be, here, I think it is. No, still the same one. Never mind, everyone. So, when I was born, Dad Anne is 30 years old, and now and the sum of both of them are 50. So now they ask both of them. So this one is going to be more. So Anne's father is more. So let's just say that that's the sum. And that's there. And now we just plus it. 80 divides 40. This one. Yes, we're correct. So here, I'm just guessing. I hope we're correct. Oh, okay. Let's just do it randomly because I don't really know this yet. Never mind, we can do it again. It's probably this one. And it's probably this one again. And here is probably, which one is it? This one. No, it isn't. Sorry, everyone. Never mind about that. So, Hua and Mai has saved up $100. And okay. So first, let's do Hua. Hua is less, so we'll minus it together. So here is 82
$88,000. $88,000. 88 divided to 2 equals 4, 4, 4. This one. Here is probably this. Oh, no it isn't. Never mind, guys. Oh, it's D? Why is it? Oh, I think I calculated wrong. Never mind, we can do it again. Every single one. This one's surely this one. And this one's surely this one. No. This one. Yes. This one is this one. This one is, which one is it? D. No, it's B. Oh, how terrible. So, Mom goes to market and buys 1 kilogram of apples and 1 kilograms of, I don't know this one yet. I don't know, just tell it in English. Well, never mind about that. A kind of fruit that is very sweet. So, and the total is $120,000. So, it's 1 kilogram is expensive more than apples 20. So let's just find this one first. So that means that we're going to plus. It's $140,000. 140 divides 2. 2 is 7. Oh, I found it. It's kind of fun doing this together. Oh, I don't know this yet, so I'm just choosing randomly. Oh, we're wrong so much. Yes. Well done, guys. I'll see you next time, guys. Bye.